The holidays will definitely look different this year, but they should still feel special. Today I'm going to show you how to make the sugar plum pork roast. It is flavorful and delicious, easy to make, makes a great holiday presentation. We're going to start with a boneless center of pork. You're going to take a knife and you're going to cut it right in half. With the tip of the knife about a 1/4 inch deep, a little off the center, we're going to make a cut, the length of the piece. After we make that cut, we're going to take it then and butterfly it open just till the flap of this meat reaches the far side of the roast. Then we're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. After we make the bed, we're going to take the pitted prunes and the apricots, and you want to cover the entire length. Once we have that, now we're going to take the piece from the other side and we're going to put it over the top. Okay, easy enough. And we're going to put a couple strings on it to give it its conformation and hold it together. You want the strings to be about 1 inch apart. The meat as it cooks will adhere like one piece of meat. So when we slice it, it'll make a gorgeous presentation. All right. Now we have our roast all tied. We're going to roast this a total of 20 minutes a pound. This is not a roast that you want to be medium rare. You want the roast to be fully cooked. I made a rub here of brown sugar, garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper, and ginger. We're going to rub the top of the roast. You want to put this on a roasting pan, you're going to want to put it on a rack. You want to add some chopped celery, chopped onions, and chopped carrots. Then we're going to add our potatoes, your potato of choice. About 8 to 10 more of our pitted prunes. 1/3 of a cup of water that I added a tablespoon of olive oil to, and just drizzle that over it. We preheated our oven. We're going to start by having the oven at 500 for the first 15 minutes, and then we'll drop it down to 350 for the remaining time. Okay, we did our 20 minutes per pound for our roast, and it's ready to come out of the oven. While that's resting, we're going to take our potatoes, put them on a separate dish. So this way we can keep our oven on low and keep our potatoes warm while we make our gravy. I added about another cup of water to the pan, and we're going to go over to the stove now. We're going to start scraping. Okay, and I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water with 2 tablespoons of flour to it. If while you're stirring you break down the pitted prunes that were left around the dish, it'll give your gravy a nice darker color. Okay, now we're ready to strain. Oh, it smells so good, I'm getting hungry already. Now it's time to slice the meat. In this particular case, you want to leave the strings on while you slice it so that the meat keeps its conformation as you slice. I hope everybody will try this roast, and I hope everyone has a happy and healthy holiday.